Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to share place with others in Airbnb application on Android device. Well, knowing how to share places with others in Airbnb application facilitates collaboration, gathers recommendations, streamlines communication, and ensures that accommodations meet the needs and preferences of all involved. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Airbnb application on your device. Okay, so now look for the place or listing you want to share with your friends or colleagues. Once you found it, and tap on it. And then in this page, simply tap this icon. And now you have all ready to share it on any platform you need, such as WhatsApp application, Instagram, and the others. But you can also copy the URL and send it to people you need to know about this place. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to share place with others in Airbnb application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.